Good morning, Paul Gardiner, Commercial Manager of Lamberts. Today we're going to talk about weld fittings and flanges. We're a primary supplier for these products, have been for many years, in all sorts of industries, irrigation, factory maintenance, that sort of thing. I've just got two sizes here. That one's 8-inch, we work on phenomenal bore. These ones are all 4-inch, just to show you what we can do, but our range is 1/2-inch to 12-inch. From stock, we've probably got 600 weld fittings, 1,000 flanges in stock, I would say, today. Mainly, there's 3 types of flanges. Okay, so this flange is a plate flange. No boss or anything on there for welding, just a raised face on there for your gasket. Commonly used in irrigation, that type of thing where there's not a lot of pressure involved, just means to get your medium to where you want it to go. In a more industrial industry where there's perhaps more steam or high pressure, there's a bigger boss on there, that's called a bossed flange. And some people like to marry their pipe up to weld neck, which we don't sell so many, but in the petrochemical industry, that type of thing. The fittings are pretty straightforward. You will just boss them on like you would boss a piece of pipe onto a flange and weld them accordingly. Obviously, the pipe is the same dimension of all of these fittings, so the pipe would weld on there just the same. This flange is self-colour steel, so if you had a job where you were painting at all, that would be much easier to put your paint on there. These ones generally is a standard in the market, like the fittings as well. They've got a black varnish paint on, some just a black protective lacquer, really. Also, together with the flanges mentioned earlier, we have a threaded flange with a BSP thread, so we don't have to be welded on that one, and a blank flange. Now I'll introduce you to Trina, our MD, who will talk about our weld pipe services.
Here we have 1,800 metres of scheduled pipe ready for next day delivery. All of this is marked with traceability. So we have 2 lorries available here to deliver throughout East Anglia next day delivery.